Coasts.
Stage 1. Because of the weather, the top of the cliff starts to weaken. Stage 2. Waves attack the base of the cliff and erode it by hitting pebbles off the rock. This is called abrasion. Stage 3. This forms a wave-cut notch, and the weight of the cliff causes it to collapse, which makes the coastline retreat. Stage 4. As this process repeats several times over, a flat arc of rock appears in the front of the cliffs called a wave-cut platform, which is the remains of the older cliffs.
Waves crash against the headland and forces open cracks in the rock. This process is called hydraulic action. These cracks widen into caves. The caves are eroded backwards by the pebbles carried by the waves. This process is called abrasion. Over time, the waves will erode through the headland to form an arch. The roof of the arch will collapse because it is unsupported. This leaves a pillar of rock called a stack. As the waves continue to attack the base of the stack, a wave-cut notch is formed, and the stack will collapse and form a stump.
Quarrying can cause a lot of conflicts with locals, tourists and farmers. This is because they use big explosions called dynamites. They also use big trucks. Dynamites are really loud, which disturbs the locals, the animals for the farmers and all the animals in the forest. The huge trucks block off routes and roads.
There are a number of conflicts between tourists and farmers. Tourists take their dogs walks near farmland, which scares the livestock. Tourists drop litter, which is a choking hazard for any animals passing by. Hill walkers leave gates open, meaning animals can escape.
Swash enters the beach at 45 degrees due to the prevailing wind. The southwest prevailing wind pushes the material onto the beach. Backwash drags the material back out to sea at a 90-degree angle due to gravity. And this process continues until it reaches the groin at the side of the beach and material builds up there. All the time the material is heading east along the beach. This is the process of longshore drift.
The forests are either too straight or in an unawkward shape, making the area look very unnatural. Some areas are blocked off when logging happens. It disturbs the peace because the machinery to create it is too loud. Tourists can cause conflicts in the forest, as they can cause fires if they leave the fires unattended or can't control it. They can also drop litter, making the area look bad.